Welcome to Nandakchi channel. In this episode, I'm gonna make a coffee cheesecake for you. Let's get started. Add some coffee to the softened cream. Mix thoroughly. Mascarpone cheese. Powdered sugar. Vanilla. Whipped cream. Stir well, then add the coffee mixture. Mix thoroughly and add some melted gelatin. Put a layer of sponge cake in the mold. Now pour the coffee layer. Leave it in the fridge for 3 hours. Dark chocolate. Butter. Milk. Instant coffee. Melt it in the microwave. Pour over the cheesecake. Let it rest overnight in the fridge. Remove the mold gently. Leave some strawberries for decoration. Sprinkle some pistachio powder as well. Okay, that's all for today. Enjoy your fresh cheesecake. Thank you for watching and happy baking.